This was the strangest battle in history, and you won't believe what happened. Have you ever heard of a war where the enemy wasn't soldiers, but birds? In 1932, the Australian army marched into battle, not against another country, but against thousands of giant emus. Armed with machine guns, the soldiers thought victory would be easy. But what followed was chaos, humiliation, and one of the strangest defeats in military history. The birds outsmarted the army, and won. Want to know how it all happened? The full, unbelievable story is waiting for you now on the channel.